Hello everyone, welcome to Soroban Magic. Today we will learn how to count from 1 to 9 using the abacus. Let's start. Each rod represents one place value. We will use the rightmost rod for counting. To count 1, move one lower bit up. Like this. Okay, this is 1. To count 2, move 2 beats up. 1, 2. To count 3, 3 beats up. 1, 2, 3. Yes. To count 4, move 4 beats up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Okay. Now for 5, we touch the upper beat down. This is 5. Okay. Next, to make 6, keep the upper beat down and move one lower beat up. 5, 6. This is 6. Okay. To make 7, keep the upper beat down and move 2 lower beats up. 1, 2. Let's count 5, 6, 7. Okay. For 8, keep the upper beat down and move 3 lower beats. 1, 2, 3. Let's count 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. For 9, keep the upper beat down and move 4 lower beats up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Okay. Now let's reset the Soroban. Gently move all beats back to the starting position. Great job! You have learned to count from 1 to 9 on the Soroban. Arigato gozaimasu. See you in the next session. Bye bye.